Hi, this is Jet Plays and I'm here to review the SH Figuarts Kamen RIder Mach, or in Japanese, Kamen RIder Mach. First, let's take a look at the packaging. In the front of the box, we have here a clear plastic where you can see the figure inside. We also have here an image of Mach that continues to the left side of the box. On the top left corner, we have here the rider symbol for Mach. We also have here the SH Figuarts logo. Right here we have the Kamen Rider Drive Tokusatsu logo. And on the bottom we have the Toei, Tamashii Nations, and the Bandai logo. On the right side of the box we have another image of Mach. On top we have here the SH Figuarts logo, and it says here Kamen RIder Mach. And on the bottom we have some Japanese. The back of the box, we have here more images of the figure, plus more Japanese. So now let's get this open and see what's inside. Inside the box we get this plastic packaging. As you can see here, we have the figure, plus 2 interchangeable mufflers. We have his Zenrin shooter, signal Magaru, an extra signal part, and 4 pairs of interchangeable hands. Now, let's focus on the figure, Kamen Rider Mach himself. Now, here is Kamen Rider Mach in all its glory. Now, this figure stands about 15.5 centimeters, which is roughly 6 inches till the tip of the antenna. This figure is sculpted very nice, and the details are very accurate, as you can see here. The overall suit is painted in white with bits of black. We also have some red stripes right here. We have yellow for the rider symbol. We have a metallic blue inside the visor and some parts of the thigh. We have a bit of metallic orange for the left arm, and another shade of blue for the belt. For articulation, you can move the head up, down. You can also rotate it around. Now you can lift this visor up to expose the inside. The neck is on a separate joint which can rotate as well. Now the shoulder piece right here is on a ball joint which you can rotate. While on the other side it is pegged on his shoulder, which has an upwards and downwards movement. Now for the left arm, you can bring it out as much as this, because this shoulder piece kinda hinders the movement. While on the other side, you can bring out as much as this. You can also rotate the arms full 360. There's also a rotation below the shoulders. Now the elbows are on a double joint which can bend almost 180. The hand is on a ball hinge which can rotate around and swing forward and back. Now the chest is on a separate joint which can do a bit of an ab crunch and go back a bit as this. The waist is on a separate joint which you can tilt forward as much as this and back as far as this. You can also tilt him to the right and left as well and swing from side to side. Now the belt is on loose, which has a bit of a movement as well. You can lift this part up and remove the signal bike right here. Now for the legs, you can bring it out as much as this, which can do a full split. You can bring the leg forward as much as this and back till here. The knees are on a double joint which can bend till here. Now the ankles are on a ball hinge which can swing forward and back and rotate around as well. The toe is on a hinge which can move up but no downwards movement. And you have a ankle pivot. And that's about it. For accessories, we have here 2 interchangeable mufflers, which pegs in his left shoulder right here. Now we also have a pair of Zenrin shooter hands, a pair of thumbs up hands, a pair of gripping hands, and a pair of open palms. We also have here his Zenrin shooter, which is detailed very nice. We have here the signal part and the signal bike Signal Magaru. Now to change the signal bike, just lift this piece right here and pull this signal bike out like this. Take Signal Magaru and peg it in right here and put it back where it was. Now you can also change this tire right here, so let's just pull this out. Take the signal part and put it right here and peg it back on his shoulder, just like this. And now here you have Kamen RIder Mach using Signal Magaru. For his Zenrin shooter, unfortunately it doesn't have any moving parts, but you can peg a signal bike on the hole right here. Just like this. And now you have his Zenrin shooter with Signal Maha. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.